Yeah. So mine is not an app, it's actually a website. It was an idea
Perfect.
I came up with some days ago. So I did exactly what you did. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt. So from the prompt, I was able to go to Stitch and generate this.
Guys, drop an emoji
So
for this guy.
mm.
Yeah, take us away,
So
guy.
I also did it on
Can you
Lovable,
zoom
and
in?
this was the result from Lovable. Yeah,
Perfect.
I'm
Yeah.
coming.
This is what we're talking about. This is how to use AI. Please don't stress me. Yeah.
So I guess
You can click that play button to the top right, so it gives you a full view.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so something on Figma.
Show us what you achieved on Lovable or with
Yeah,
Lovable rather.
this is the one from this is the one from Lovable.
Perfect. Now you see how this thing now if you had used your original prompt, your original idea to develop this, you wouldn't get this perfect result. Does it make sense now?
Yeah, although I had to tweak some, I had to tweak some like the hero section.
Yeah.
So I had to tweak this, and that was I think I wanted to also ask a question too as well
Go on.
regarding the AI. Yeah. So let's say for example you want to generate a whole full website like this, and you probably you have multiple pages. Yeah. So what advice would you give? Should we start with just like a page at a time, or can generate all the pages at the same time?
Oh dear, sorry, your battery is low. So start with a page at a time.
Mm.
The more complex your prompt is, the more AI gets to hallucinate and give you anything.
All right.
Right? Start page by page,
Yeah.
ensure every page captures your message, then jump to the next page. Don't worry about linking pages to each other. AI is good at that. Do you
So
understand? Start with
yeah.
a page at a time, a page at a time. Then don't feed AI too much information when it comes to that designing thing, right? Break it down.
Okay.
Just